Some days you just really fancy a beautiful meatball dish. And on the new James Italian menu across the whole country, we're doing it with this incredible pappardelle. So we're making this pappardelle every single day from organic eggs, semolina, Tipo 00 flour, and look at it, look at the shape. It's funky. And in the old days, we used to extrude the pappardelle. We used to kind of break one side to make those little kind of frills. And of course the frills, they grab all the sauce. So we're going to cook this off. The fresh pasta only takes a couple of minutes to cook. And here I've got some beautiful meatballs. Have a little look at these. Here's some really nice meatballs with beautiful pork and unduia, which is a really famous soft salumi. And here is some Calabrian chili with the most amazing oil. Look at the color of that oil. And we sauce that. And the thing about the Calabrian chilies is it is warm, but there's a sweetness and a fruit to it that I just absolutely love. So as the pasta cooks, we'll brown off those meatballs and then we'll break it with some beautiful passata, which is a garlic, basil, tomato sauce. You want to get some nice color on there. The herb we're going to use is some parsley. It's nice and fresh. Super good. Look. So look at these balls. Look at the color and look at the chili. Now we go in with the passata, we hit it with the parsley, and then we have the pasta here, and I'll maybe nick a little bit of that cooking water. Just really nice to agitate the pan. Look at the way that the pasta just holds on to the sauce. So good, so good. Gorgeous, wonderful, wonderful flavorings in there. Look at that shape. I just love that pasta. Meatball pasta just makes me really happy. Sometimes I just feel like it. It's one of those things. It's an ultimate comfort food. Such a wonderful, wonderful indulgence. Some wonderful Parmesan. That is one of my favorites. Beautiful unduia meatballs with that fantastic pappardelle, sweet tomato sauce, and those amazing Calabrian chilies. It's comfort food at its best. This is in James Italian across the whole country. New menu, new recipe. Happy days. Come on.